Hey loves, today we're doing a spring clean of all the bedrooms in my home. So click that thumbs up if you're ready for some spring cleaning motivation and hit that subscribe button if you're new here. I post videos on Sundays and Wednesdays at 10 a.m. Eastern time, and we love to chat in the premieres when my video goes live. So I hope to talk with you on the next premiere.
Still got your lips on paper in the trash now. I never knew.
Let's get all this bedding into the wash so that we can have a fresh and clean start for the spring.
I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us?
But how have you been doing? If you can, give me a little life update in the comment section. I really like hearing from you guys and just seeing what we're all kind of up to at the current moment. And when I take all of my bedding off, I like to vacuum the mattress to get out any of those dust mites. And I always spray the beds with our Cap and Queen room freshener. Today I'm using the sweet citrus and agave scent, and I'm using that in all the bedrooms while I'm cleaning because it's a really nice, clean, year-round scent. You have got to give it a try if you haven't already. And there is still some Beachy Clean multi-surface cleaner, room freshener, hand soap, and candles left on capandqueen.com. Get this scent before it sells out. It is such a great one for spring and into summer cleaning. And if you ordered Beachy Clean, it is going to be shipping out in a few days, so be on the lookout. I cannot wait for you to try it. Time to do a dust in here. Again, I'm using the Sweet Citrus and Agave multi-surface cleaner, and it made the room smell absolutely amazing and so clean for spring.
Stop for us.
And I had a pile of clothes that I tried on for our spring break trip and for Stagecoach. I'm so excited to go to that this year. If anyone else is going, let me know down in the comments, or if you have gone before and you have any tips, let me know. It's my first time going and I cannot wait. But let me know if you'd like me to do a pack with me in the next video. Ick, these windows were gross. Let's move to Presley's room and start cleaning in here. I need a handyman because there's a bunch of stuff I need fixed around here. I can't get the one side of her blinds to go up. I still can't get her closet door attached back on after I organized her closet in one of my other recent cleaning videos. Which, if you need more cleaning motivation, be sure to check out my cleaning playlist on here. I have a spring cleaning playlist and organizing and decluttering and decorating and so many more. So whatever kind of motivation you need, be sure to check it out after this video.
You are here inside my head everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering, baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming. I wish I had a girl like
All right, moving into Hayden's room next.
Every day you're not with me. Maybe now that you've showed me what love could be like. What can I say? What can I say? I know it sounds like I'm crazy, but I need to believe in you to get through my life. Then suddenly you are here inside my head everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering, baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming. I wish I had a girl like you, and I wish you could be real, but you're not really here, and I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you, girl like you, girl like
Now I had to change out the laundry and get the next load going, and I had some laundry to fold too. So if you've got some laundry to do, let's do it together.
like you, girl like you, girl like you. I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Then suddenly you are here inside my head everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering, baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming. I wish I had a girl like you, and I wish you could be real, but you're not really here, and I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you, girl like you, girl like you. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you, girl like you, girl like you. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you, girl like you, girl like you. I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you.
And I did just want to share with you guys, I'm going to have this over on my Instagram too, but I love this flower arrangement for Easter. I feel like I've done this in videos years ago, but it's so easy. You just need to stack different colored peeps. And I love this flower arrangement. I got the white ones, like the baby's breath, different, but I loved how this one had basically all the colors then of the peeps in it too. I thought that was so fun and pretty for Easter.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older.
Moving into Landon's room next, I'm so excited. His couch and desk chair finally were delivered, and I love them. The couch is so soft, it actually folds out to a full-size bed, so he's going to be all set up for sleepovers in here with his friends. And I just can't believe he's turning 9 next month. Like, I started this channel when he was only a few months old, and we're going on 9 years. What? Like, it feels just like yesterday in some ways, but in other ways, I feel like I grew up and I experienced lifetimes here on this channel with you. So thank you for being along for the journey. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for being so kind. I truly mean it. I have the best subscribers, and I don't know what I would do without you. You've cheered me on through some really tough stuff. So just thank you.
I'm with you. Been here 1,000 times. Set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. We keep on talking and talking.
Now that everything is washed and clean, let's get some fresh sheets on these beds. I wanted to do a little dusting of everything in the hallway as well. So going to do the shelves and all of the banisters on the stairs and the molding in the foyer. And I'm still using the Cap and Queen Sweet Citrus Agave Multi-Surface Cleaner for this. And everything was left so shiny and clean. I love how it smells. You have got to try it.
Right now in it, cause when I want it, then I want it, yeah, I want it, oh, I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah, I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here, yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here, yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. You said, yeah, Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. It's 2 a.m. when we close the bar, but we're in the get-go. Next place, give me some more. I could dance with you beneath the stars, cause when I want it, then I want it, yeah, I want you. Everything stops when you move like that, and I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, cause right now.
In Hayden's room, his mattress cover was clean, so I put his mattress back together. This is the Newton Baby Toddler mattress, and I love that I can wash it. It's been so helpful during potty training and cold and flu season, just to be able to wash everything down and just make sure it's nice and clean for him. And of course, I'm spraying his bedding down with some Sweet Citrus Agave room freshener to make it smell extra fresh and clean in here.
I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here, yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, and I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, cause right now I'm in it. Yeah, I'm in it. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here, yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here, yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. I said, Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby.
Last, putting sheets and the comforter on my bed. I just love the feeling of falling into bed at night when everything is crisp and clean and smells so good.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life.
Let me know in the comments while we make the bed, what are your plans for Easter? I was thinking, should I still post on Sunday or will everyone be busy? I was still planning on it, but let me know if you think I should wait until Monday instead. And I'm curious if you are going anywhere on spring break. Let me know what your plans are.
We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. Oh, we come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells
Thank you so much for watching today's video. Be sure to click that thumbs up if you enjoyed the cleaning motivation. I hope you all have a beautiful Easter if you celebrate, and a beautiful day. Bye, loves.
we come alive.